right, so the first thing we're checking out is the budget planner, and it was $19.95. It did come in a lot of different colors, so don't worry if you are not married to the teal color. And then we have the monthly celebration stickers, which were $15.95, but I would probably pay $1,500 for them because I just love them so much. They literally make the best stickers in the universe. I've looked everywhere, trust me, and every place, and nobody makes stickers better than Bloom Daily Planners. So let's look at these up close. It came in this, all right then. It came in this mailer, which I guess I'm lucky it came here, or maybe the mailman was like, I have to know what's in there. It looks so interesting. And we got their cute postcards. We have productivity sticker pack. I think this was, I want to say, don't quote me on this, I think these were free if you ordered like the first 100 people. And that's very exciting. They didn't give you a confirmation if you were part of the first 100 or not, but I guess since they're free, it doesn't matter. But I love, love, love their stickers. I think you guys know I did a video where I was like, best stickers in the world, which is Bloom Daily Planners. Oh, yay. I love all of these stickers. Okay. Next. Oh, so this is the new one. So this was all on pre-order, and I want to say it took like a month to get here. It wasn't that long. Let's see. Monthly celebrations pack. These fabulous stickers. So we have January, we have February. So I feel like these are all new from last year. March, we have April, we have May, and I loved all of last year. So even if I got the last year's again, I would still be happy. We have June, July, August, September, October, November, December, and then we got some matte ones because these are all shiny. I don't know if you can tell that. And then we have some matte ones so that you can do some writing on them. And then we just have an extra sheet of some fun stickers. So super excited. And I think, as you guys all know, I will probably order 20 more packs of these. So those are the stickers. Oh, this was also on pre-order as well. So this is a budget planner, which I don't think I've ever had a budget planner before. So I was really excited about getting this. Ooh, it kind of feels like velvet. I haven't taken it all out yet, but yeah, it's like velvety feeling. I know you can't feel it, but it feels really soft. And it looks like, oh, it's like a covering over a hardbound planner over here. So what do we got here? We got our name and how to use your planner. We have financial definitions, budgeting resources. Wow, this is a lot. I don't know, that's going to be painful to type those in. Too bad there's not a website or a scan code, but vision board, my year, this year's bucket list, financial goals, emergency fund, savings tracker, more savings tracker, debt tracker, yearly spending overview, month of, and then we get an undated planner. A monthly 2-page spread, and then we have your monthly budget, your monthly expense tracker, everything that you spend money on, and then a monthly review, month of, and then we start all over again for a new month. So I believe there are, it looks like, yeah, there's 12 months in here. That's my expert super fast counting. And then we get to the end of year stuff. So we have a donation tracker, tax information list, yearly gift expense tracker, website financials, yearly reflection, and that's it. And we have more stickers. How exciting is that? You know, I love their stickers. Oh, these are all matte, so then you can write on these. So file folder or pocket folder and a elastic strap to go around here, and you have a pen holder. So what did you think? I always struggle between wanting to use an online app like Mint, which I do use every day, and using a paper planner, because I see like all the time that there are some people that just put cash in envelopes and that works for them. So I think it really depends on what works for you. I put everything through my charge card or my debit card so that I can see like things in real time. And so putting things into a notebook maybe wouldn't work for me, only because I feel like I'm not responsible enough to keep putting things in here, but I'm going to try it out just to see if it does work for me. And then stickers, I mean, they're absolutely gorgeous. I love all of their stickers, and I'm super excited that there's a second set of monthly celebration stickers because I'm going to buy the other stickers as well. And then now I have 2 sets of monthly stickers, which I pretty much just put on. This is a monthly sort of like little thing that sits in this little holder that I got from Sugar Paper. And stickers just make everything happier, especially because I can't draw. Like I've talked about this a lot before, like bullet journaling. I love watching other people bullet journal, but I have zero talent and zero interest in learning how to draw. And so for me, just being able to buy somebody else's pretty drawings and slap them in there with these stickers makes a huge difference. So super excited about these stickers. And I love that they're not the standard ones. Like I noticed sometimes I've seen a lot of stickers on Etsy where they're like trying to maximize space. I don't know why that's a thing, but they'll have their standard like 5x7. And for whatever reason, they have a square, a circle, a square, a rectangle, like it's like so cluttered, and it's a lot of just like washi tape everywhere. And I'm like, I don't know why everyone loves washi tape. I am like, I see zero reason for washi tape really. So I don't even have any of my washi. I think I've recycled all of it because even my friends are like, we don't want any washi tape. So yeah, I'm just not into washi tape. So I think a lot of times with those stickers, they will try to maximize the real estate and stick washi tapes on there. And I get it. They're trying to add more value, but I'm just not into washi tape. So anyways, that was just a long-winded way for me to say I love the Bloom Daily Planner stickers. All right, let me know what you thought below. And remember, if you would like to create your own planner, make sure to sign up for my free course, Planner 101. I will leave a link to that below. I hope everyone's having a fabulous day, and I'll talk to you guys later. Bye.